Our first asana is Baddha Kon Asana. Bend the legs at the knee and bring the feet closer to your body. The soles of both the feet should be joined. Get your feet closer to the groin. Take 5 deep breaths here and keep pressing the thigh down. Make sure your head, neck, and spine is erect. You will feel calmer as you relieve stress and fatigue during this pose. Our next pose is Tadasana. Stand on your yoga mat with your feet slightly apart, hands alongside your body. Inhale deeply and slowly raise your arms upwards. Interlock your fingers, palms towards the ceiling. Raise your heels and stand on your toes. Gaze at one point and try to balance. Now take 5 deep breaths here. Feel your body stretching. I always suggest children to practice Tadasana every day because it helps in increasing height. This asana helps to improve your posture, and if you have a tendency to hunch or slouch, practicing Tadasana can be of great help. Our next asana is Vriksh Asana. Begin standing with your arms by your sides. Shift your weight to your left foot and place your right feet at the side of your left thigh. Fix your gaze at one point. This will help you maintain balance. Now stretch your arms up and join your palms together. Stay here and take 5 deep breaths. If you are finding it difficult to balance, then use a wall to hold and stabilize. Or instead of pressing the foot into your thigh, place your toes on the ankles or floor. Now come back to the original position of standing tall and straight as you did at the beginning. Now let's repeat this pose with the left leg. Shift your weight on your right foot now and place your left feet at the side of your right thigh. Again, fix your gaze at one point to maintain balance. And then stretch your arms up and join your palms together. Stay here and take 5 deep breaths. Tree pose is a very beneficial pose. It improves your sense of balance, focus, and concentration. Our next asana is Parvat Asana. Sit on your knees, close your feet and knees together. Now adjust your hands. They should be right under your shoulders in one line. On your next exhalation, tug your toes in and lift your knees off the mat. Push your buttocks up and activate your kneecaps. Straighten your legs. They should be in one line. Feet and legs remain together. Now try to reach your heels onto the mat. Keep your arms active. If you cannot touch your heels onto the mat, stay on the spot and try to increase the flexibility of your calves. Stay here. Take 5 deep breaths. Mountain pose makes your wrist stronger. It also increases the flow of blood to the head. Our next pose is Bhujang Asana. Lie down on your belly with your feet and chin on the floor. Place your palm underneath your shoulder and draw your elbows close to your sides. Press the top of your feet down. Keep your legs active. Inhale and slowly lift your chest and abdomen up. Keep your neck long. Gaze at the tip of your nose. Take 5 deep breaths here. Bhujangasana is a great pose for strengthening your back and for opening your chest and shoulders. Our next pose is Ustrasana. Kneel down on the floor. Keep your thighs and feet together, toes resting on the floor. Now slowly stand on your knees. Inhale, stretch your right hand up, bend backward slowly. Exhale, place the right palm on the right heel and left palm on the left heel. Thighs should be vertical to the floor and head tilted backwards. Maintain this pose for 5 deep breaths. Camel pose stretches the chest and abdomen, helps you reduce belly fat, and improves digestion. Our next pose is Dhanur Asana. Lie down on your belly with your hands alongside your chest. Fold your knees, take your hands backwards, and hold your ankles. Inhale, lift your chest off the ground and pull your legs up. Look straight ahead with a smile on your face. Now take 5 deep breaths here. Bow pose strengthens the leg, back, and arms and improves your flexibility. Our next asana is Setubandh Asana. Lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the ground with your toes pointing straight forward. Check that your knees are hip width apart. Rest your arms alongside your body with your palms facing down. See if your fingers can touch the back of your heels. Then tuck your chin into your chest, and as you inhale, lift your buttocks and flat back to create a bridge. Hold this pose for 5 deep breaths. Bridge pose makes your leg stronger, strengthens your back, and improves digestion.